If you're an e-commerce entrepreneur or marketer looking for the best ways to find influencers to expand your business's marketing efforts, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll go through an in-depth process on how to find the best influencers for your business, how to determine which ones can help you grow, and why influencer marketing matters for Amazon sellers. Some questions I frequently get asked: why influencer marketing matters for Amazon sellers specifically, and then how influencers can help my Amazon business grow. Influencers provide authentic recommendations that build trust with shoppers. This is super key specifically for Amazon sellers because so many of the buyers on Amazon rely heavily on social proof, meaning they're looking for things like written product reviews, they're looking at video product reviews, and then they're, of course, looking at the product ratings. So when you have someone like an influencer who has a connection with the shopper, who has a connection with a follower or a viewer, and can authentically confer that credibility or that trust onto your product, it makes that buying decision easier for your shopper or potential customer. Beyond simply trust building, influencers also drive external traffic to your listings, boosting your organic search rankings. When influencers talk or discuss about a particular, when influencers talk or discuss about your product, it often leaves curious shoppers interested enough to go searching to find what it is that was mentioned. This ultimately is a net positive for you because whether they buy or not, more traffic to your products equals better search ranking in the Amazon feed. In terms of how influencers specifically help your Amazon brand grow, it's a couple things. As I just mentioned, it's about improving your Amazon rankings. External traffic signals product popularity to Amazon's algorithm. The more traffic, the more interest, the more clicks you're getting, the more popular your product is going to seem and or get ranked accordingly. Additionally, it's creating authentic content. Influencers generate reviews, they do unboxings, they do tutorials that just resonate more than traditional ads. And this just continues to give you fresh new looks around your product that feel more organic and authentic. And lastly, they drive buying decisions. Their trusted opinions encourage shoppers to buy. People who are sitting on the fence, people who are considering it but need that extra nudge, need that extra reassurance, often look at influencers for their opinions. And those opinions ultimately come down to a fundamental trust, and they come down to a relatability. Does this person understand me? Does this person see things how I see it? And influencers are great at that connectivity and building that authentic trust relationship with their followers, viewers, etc. Now, I want to get into the 3 methodologies that I find most effective to find the best influencers for your business. Number 1, influencer discovery tools and software. Number 2, browsing Amazon live streams. And then number 3, checking reviews and unboxing videos on YouTube. These 3 methodologies have been the most successful for me at finding really high quality influencers for my business. The first methodology is influencer discovery platforms and tools. My favorite of these is Levanta. The reason why I like Levanta is because it is specifically focused on Amazon affiliates. They recently started to support Walmart sellers as well, which is a nice feature. But the fact that they have over 40,000 vetted professionals, creators, bloggers, publications that are all focused on Amazon affiliates reduces so much work on your end. You don't have to go searching. You don't have to make sure somebody's familiar with affiliate marketing. You know when you find someone off this platform that they've been vetted and they're ready to go. What I like about the platform also is that the way that its deals are structured is that it's performance-based. So influencers only get paid when they make sales. This is important because a lot of other influencer deals when you're working with influencers or creators, there's an upfront fee, there's a content fee, there's a deposit, this, that, and the third. With this platform, solely performance based. When sales are made, they get paid. They give you the option here to negotiate between 15 and 25%. This is a way to make it fair, equitable, and to make sure that they're attracting top tier talent. They also make it super easy to scale. You know, if you start with a smaller campaign with just 1 or 2 influencers, but then you want to scale to 5 to 10, they make that work with you. They also help you out on the back end when it comes to tax time. They make sure to collect all of that information. They automate 1099s. They automate that collection of that information. They organize it. And then lastly, they have nice built-in easy payments. So no chasing around for PayPal information or bank information or bank transfer or whatever. None of that you have to worry about. It's all within the platform. From a price point perspective, this platform starts at $150 a month plus 5% of affiliate sales. This might be on the higher end if you're just starting out. It might not be the most ideal thing if you don't have a ton of budget. However, if you do have some budget to work with, this is an excellent platform as it saves you a ton of time and gives you exactly what you're looking for. Vetted, fast, ready to roll. So it saves you a ton of time, saves you a ton of energy. Winning formula right there. The next platform I really like is Creator IQ. This one is a relatively popular one. And the reason why I like it, or one of the main reasons I like it, is that it seamlessly integrates with platforms of all types. So the ones that might be already in your workflow, the ones that you're familiar with. Creator IQ is essentially built for scale. It has all the integrations. It's really safe. It's compatible, and it's compliant. Creator IQ is built for scale and collaboration. It integrates with all the platforms that you know and love, the ones that are in your tech stack, the ones that are supporting your business. This platform scales with all of them. So it's a great feature. It has great security settings, compatibility, compliance. You never have to worry about being on the wrong side of technology using Creator IQ. An additional reason why I like Creator IQ is that it offers advanced AI-powered influencer discovery tools. So this makes the job of finding the right fit super easy, as you can set up all kinds of filters to help narrow down. You can also rely and train the AI model so it helps and recommends the right kinds of creators for your business. It does large-scale quality vetting and scoring to make sure that it's suggesting the best fits for what you need. Given that this is a popular choice and they've been around for a while, they have a ton of data to train their models with and to provide the most accurate recommendations. Lastly, I really like Creator IQ because it streamlines so well. It is, again, built for scale. It has really smooth processes and allows you to grow with this thing. You might not be at the level at the moment to take full advantage of everything, but with its enterprise level workflows and some of the scalability elements that the software has, it's a great tool for the long haul to build with, to grow with, and to have full confidence that this is going to be something that powers your marketing efforts to the next level. The second methodology that I'm really excited about is using Amazon live streams. This way you can discover really talented creators who are already on the Amazon platform and are already really successful at driving product traffic. One of the ways in which you can use the Amazon live streams is by going to the specific browse tab, and it gives you an entire list of influencers organized by category and niche, making it super simple for you to find the creators that are right for your brand. For example, you have things such as home decor, you have electronics, you have epic daily deals, feature creators, fitness, the whole 9 yards. The grand value out of this is that it simplifies what you're looking for into one place, and the beauty is it's free. So really, by clicking on the category that most is related to your product, you'll be able to quickly surface a number of Amazon influencers, many of which you might not be able to contact and connect with on this platform, but it is for certain that through a quick Google search, you can find their social media, which then you can send them DMs and possibly emails to connect further to set up partnerships. The third methodology that I've used before and I really like is unboxing videos on YouTube. The key here is that YouTube is full of creators doing unboxing and product review videos that they've purchased or they've received from brands. Many of these videos are displaying Amazon products and often include affiliate links and storefronts in the description. So the key here is to pay attention to who's creating this content, especially the ones that are in your niche. You can spot potential influencers who already know how to engage with their audience and promote products like yours. The best way to do this is to filter some of the search results, because you're going to get a lot. If you type in generic search terms like Amazon unboxing, you're going to get generic results. The best way to narrow those results down is through date-based filtering. Things that are in the last 12 to 6 months is ideal. You can also look at view count or location to help you find creators that are ideal and that are specifically reaching the kinds of audience that you want to reach. Where is your audience located? And then if you're looking for creators at a good value, creators who are good at what they do, they have promise of potential, but they might not be the biggest. They might just be good at creating content. They might be on the rise. How do you find those? It's largely through not looking at the most viewed content, but scanning through different view counts to see if you can find a diamond in the rough, to see if you can find someone in the middle. Additionally, you're going to want to play with the search term. Obviously, you're seeing something like Amazon unboxing. What does it look like when you plug in different keywords from your niche? What does it look like when you're looking at industries that are adjacent to yours? How do you come up with different variations of search terms to navigate and curate your search results to expand more options and find potential partnerships? These are all key things to keep in mind as you're doing this. In addition to Amazon unboxing and unboxing videos in general, also be sure to look at product review videos. Very similar, but these ones are going to be more specific to going in depth. There's pages and channels that are very specific to those kind of reviews. And again, these creators build trust. That's what they're about. That's why people go to them and look for their opinions on certain things. So to the degree that you can tap into that, confer credibility and that trust, you're in a better position with your products and to increase your marketing efforts and help shoppers make better buying decisions with your product in mind. In the end, there's a bunch of ways to find the best influencers. Some just require more energy and effort than others. Again, we covered some great methodologies, both free and paid, depending on where you're at in your business. If you want to save time and increase efficiency, you may want to think about a paid solution like Levanta. But overall, with whichever direction you go, you now have a few effective strategies on how to find the right kinds of creators for your business. Please be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for future videos.